Hi, welcome to Kids Coding.
Right movement from left side to right side, and what is forever loop and if condition we are going to learn in this video. First, see the animation. The sprite is moving from left side to right side with 1 second delay. I am setting 0.1 second, and it reaches the end. What is the code need to write to again start the same position? We need to see in this video. First, understand the conditions. What is forever loop and what is if condition? Forever, the repeating action code is written in forever loop. Whatever the action we need to repeat, we have to use forever loop. The action performed infinite number of times, which is written in forever loop. For example, in this I am using forever loop. Move 10 steps. Wait 0.1 second. The sprite is moving from left side to right side with 0.1 seconds delay. If I make turn 15 degrees here, understood. Now now run the code. The sprite is moving 15 degrees with 0.1 second delay. Means that the action is repeating. Turn 15 degrees action is repeating with the delay 0.1 second. If I want to change one, the sprite moves with 1 second delay 15 degrees. If I set 0, then it will move, goes on moving. In this way the forever loop works. I am setting to 0.1 second, and we need to see what is if condition. If condition, if block useful for checking our condition. If block is useful for checking our condition. If condition is true, then the code in if block is executed. For example, in our code, if I want to start the movement from again left side, then I need to use if condition. Now I am setting the angle to 90 degrees, 90 degrees, and move 10 steps forever. Just observe that it is stop and moving on. If I use if condition, if touching edge, go to if touching edge, I need to start from here, so that I am setting the value. If touching edge, go to minus 7 177 and 43. Minus 177 and 43 is the current location of this sprite. If touching edge, then the sprite position is setting to minus 177.43. Now I am running the code. Yeah, it is moving from left side to right side. When it is touching edge, the value of x is 177 and 43. I am changing to 10. Now observe that it is starting from 10 to 43. In this way, from left side to right side, the movement of sprite will be done. And what is the purpose of forever loop and if condition is seen in this video. Next, if I use next costume, then the costume is changes. I want to make with 0.1 second delay. Oh, it is unable to see 1 seconds delay. Yeah, if I set next costume here, then observe that wait 1 second is here. You can observe clearly now what is happened now. Forever in this, always this action is performing. Move 10 steps, always the sprite is moving 10 steps. If touching edge, then we are setting the x and y values to again start. And next costume for changing the movement. Wait 0 0.1 seconds for delay to observe the movement of sprites costumes. In this video we are learned about forever and if condition. Thank you. In next video we are going to learn about vertical movement of sprite, that is upward and downward movement of sprites. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel.